The interesting thing about this is because I'm facing that way and looking at the back of my own head in that direction, even though the back of my head is facing that direction, it feels almost like I'm going to be shaving somebody else's head, so it matters less maybe. Fuck, is there any other steps I need to fucking take into account before this happens? Oh, yeah, that's right, I was going to grow my hair underneath my hairpiece, wasn't I? Just try to stick it down on top. But then as we saw, the back plastic pressed against the hair makes it just look like a plastic bag is stuck in your hair somewhere, and it would look like that all the way around. It has to be stuck to scalp, not hair. The other thing is the mess of cleaning up glue from hair later on. But that matters less to me than having to regrow all this if I shave it. If I shave it, I'm about to fucking shave it. There's nothing I can do to stop myself. Where the fuck are you? Right. Fuck. Don't miss. Just practicing. Oh, it's so fucking scary. Are you serious? Do you guys do this? Oh, yes, right, you don't. You just reach and you feel it. You can't even see what you're doing to yourselves. Set up a proper mirror system like this, then feel your dick shrivel. This is fucking scary, man. Whoa. Stop trying to hit me and hit me. Past the point of no return, blah, 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 blah. Motherfucker. What am I, a racing car? Oh, that's wild. I should just leave it like this. Chicks would dig this, don't you think? Carl Pilkington. Ate like a fucking orange. That's what I look like. Where are the scabs? Alright. Shit. I've started. It's started. It has begun. It's only just begun. Shut up, I'm having a moment over here! Alright. What the fuck? That's fucking weird. Do I just continue? I don't know. I'm scared. You need guidance, my child. Guidance will help you on your way. The color difference. That's definitely wrong. It must have faded over time. I don't think I would have deliberately. I did seem to wear it for a long time. You have not yet reached the end. You want to keep that shit scented. See, I've set this up for myself this time so I can see what I'm doing because it's so important. But, you know, normally I would try to angle this thing so that you can see my face so I can talk to you and so on. But that's now not ideal for me anymore, see? I'm like something out of The Fifth Element. So rough. I really do keep expecting the hairs to fall down all over the place, and this thing just sucks them all right up. Okay, I'm balding. Jesus, never seen this. I don't remember seeing it anyway. I want to bring everything closer in to the front mirror so I can see my reflection up closer, my front-facing reflection as well. Everything's blurry when I lean forward because these glasses are not covering my eyes. I'm looking through there and I have to they need to be up there. They need to be up. Okay, so basically what we've got here is what came in the box from Neewer in the link below. You would just link your phone through APower Mirror to your iPhone, which would be mounted here, right? Mount that, turn on the light so you've got some visibility. You can see your own head. I've included that ball connector from the tripod, which is also from Neewer. I'll try to find that online for you because I already owned that, but I'll try to include that in the description below. But basically what I've got here is what came in that box. It includes this arm that swings around, and then you got over the top of yourself view. I would say under most circumstances you're probably going to be sitting down to get this kind of perspective, but then you just position your phone camera over the back of your head and just swing this around. You'll need some kind of phone holder. This actually came with a phone holder, so if you're using the rear camera of your phone, you would probably just press the video button with the light so that it emits light instead of having to buy one of these big light systems, a smartphone rig, like this one from Neewer that I recommend. It's not that expensive. So if you don't want to get that, you could just connect straight to this with your phone, that's it. You don't need all these other things. You probably don't even need the tripod connector. If you want to do it as cheaply as possible, just buy this thing, because it comes with a phone mount, and the light on the back of your phone might be good enough for you if you're happy with that lighting. Swing it around any direction you want. And then you can clearly see everything. You can see there's a substantial amount of table if you want this flush up. So if you have an overhang in your bathroom of that much, you could push it bang up against there. You know, a lot of you, most of you probably, are only doing scalp preparation once every 3 weeks. So every 3 weeks, take this out, put it in the bathroom, then go and put it away. But then again, it's not just every 3 weeks. You've got to check on how you're progressing with the back and sides of your head. Now, fuck it. Have a permanent fixture, whatever you do. This thing's going to clamp to a table. You've got this option. This one will not be detachable to mount on the ceiling unless you have some kind of ceiling bar. Do you have a ceiling bar? No, I didn't think so. If you don't have a ceiling bar, you're going to have to drill in. Use those toggle bolts I told you about.